I'm so bored. Where they will be these two. Denji and Eiki, they marched a while ago. But don't do it because they tell me they're very annoying and I don't want to argue.
Power comes right away. Why the hell did you eat all the food?
I got hungry at night. It's his fault for not storing his food well.
Now, I'll have to go get more food. I don't want you to break anything when I come back and wake up Denji. It's too late.
Ash, okay.
Oh no, I forgot that Miss Makima was coming today. I have to hurry before she arrives.